hold the bag? I'll hold the bag. Keep putting inside the bags. Go ahead. Yeah, I think so, yeah. Inside all the bags. What do you say? Keep going. If you got one already, close the bag or he'll keep putting them in your bag.
I did.
Who didn't get?
I didn't get one.
Who didn't get? Open the bag. All right. Next one. There you go. What about this bag right here, homie? Oh, you missed.
But inside.
He's nervous. Here, you can do this one. I'll give you this one. He's just distracted. Right in there. Inside. There you go. Oh, there it is. You did it. And one more. Grim Reaper. Ooh, scary.
Thank you.
Here you go. Right here. In the bags. Inside. Open the bag. And inside the bag, in this bag, right here. There's more coming.
I'll take some Skittles because I'm allergic to Snickers.
Okay, there's more coming. Here, gotta open the bag. Put that inside here. Put it inside the Milky Way. Put this one inside. There you go. Put this one in. The one in your hand. There you go.
Wow,
and this one goes in here in the blue bag.
It's a nice outfit you bring.
No? There will be in like 10
I'm
minutes.
the one who
Inside here.
Do you know why I remember
Wow,
you?
thank you.
I'm the one who sold you.
Yay! Alright! Alright, well go have fun. Go get a lot of candy.
Thank you.
People are just starting to get home, so go slowly, because so they'll give you more candy.
Alright.
Tell them you're actually 2 people.